In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a stronger LinkedIn About section using ChatGPT. We're going to turn a basic profile summary into a clear, professional, personal brand bio that actually sounds like you. The goal here is not to let AI replace your voice, but to use it as a writing partner so you can express your experience, strengths, and career direction more effectively. Start by opening LinkedIn and reviewing your current About section. Read it carefully and look at it from the perspective of someone visiting your profile for the first time. Pay attention to whether it feels clear, up to date, and specific. If it sounds too generic, too formal, or doesn't really explain what you do and who you help, that's exactly what we're going to improve. Next, open ChatGPT and describe your role, your core skills, and your target audience. Be as clear as possible here, because the quality of the result depends on the information you provide. Explain what kind of work you do, what you're known for, and who you typically support, serve, or collaborate with. Then add more depth by including your achievements, the services you offer, your professional values, and your career goal. This gives the bio substance and direction. Instead of sounding like a vague introduction, it starts to become a real personal brand statement that reflects both your background and where you're headed. Once you've shared that information, ask ChatGPT to write a personal brand bio. This is where everything comes together into a polished draft. To make the result more suitable for LinkedIn, request a professional but natural tone. That balance is important. You want to sound credible and confident, but still human and approachable. If ChatGPT gives you multiple versions, take a moment to compare them and choose the best one. Look for the version that feels most authentic to your experience and easiest to read. The strongest option is usually the one that sounds focused, specific, and aligned with how you want to present yourself professionally. After that, edit the draft with your own personality and real examples. This step matters a lot. AI can help with structure and wording, but your credibility comes from adding details only you would say. Refine the phrasing, adjust anything that feels unnatural, and make sure the final version truly represents you. Finally, paste your finished bio into your LinkedIn profile. Give it one last read to make sure it flows well and fits your overall profile. Once it's live, you'll have an About section that is more strategic, more personal, and much more likely to leave a strong impression.